Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Each camp that I've come to, I've looked forward to more and more, and especially this one, having the game on Friday and Monday both here at Cardiff. Yeah, I think it's took a few games to earn the lads' respect by playing games, and hopefully I'm doing that and continue to do that. Whether it was at international level or at club level, I think you have to come in and prove that you're good enough to be here, and hopefully they feel that way, and can keep doing that. Yeah, the game against Andorra was tricky, but the win was the most important thing to set us up going into these two games at home. I'm hearing there's a lot of tickets being sold, which is something for us all to look forward to against a real good side. It's always nice to play in front of full stadiums. It gives the lads an extra buzz, and they'll be there cheering us on, and hopefully we can give them something to cheer about. I think we've got a squad now that most of the lads are playing the football at the top level, so I'm confident that we can handle the loss, even though they will be a miss. You see what he does, week in week out over in Spain, and the ability he's got is scary. So if we can be there to support him if he's on the pitch, we've always got a huge chance. I've come to play international football, to play against the best players in Europe, and keep learning myself, and it's something that I'm certainly looking forward to and not fearing.